It's not all about cookies on Christmas. You can make brownies even more special by swirling a creamy cheesecake layer on top. Here is a recipe for cheesecake brownies. Ingredients needed for cheesecake brownies: non-stick cooking spray, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 4 ounce unsweetened chocolate, chopped, 5 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 3/4 cup packed light brown sugar, 2 cup granulated sugar, divided, 6 large eggs, at room temperature, divided, 4½ tablespoons vanilla extract, divided, 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 tablespoon kosher salt, plus a pinch, 12-ounce cream cheese, at room temperature, 1/3 cup sour cream, 1 tablespoon milk. How to prepare cheesecake brownies. 1. Preheat the oven to 3 to 5F. 2. Grease a 13 by 9 inch baking pan with cooking spray. 3. Line the pan with parchment paper, leaving 2 inches on the long sides. 4. Grease the parchment with cooking spray. 5. In a medium saucepan over low heat, melt the butter with the chocolate, whisking until smooth and fully melted. 6. Remove the saucepan from the heat. Whisk in the cocoa powder until smooth. 7. Stir in the brown sugar and 1½ cup of the granulated sugar. 8. Whisking constantly, add 5 of the eggs, one at a time, mixing until fully incorporated after each addition. 9. Whisk in 3 teaspoons of the vanilla. 10. Add the flour and 1/2 teaspoon of the salt and whisk until completely smooth. The mixture will be very thick. 11. Set aside 2/3 cup of the brownie batter in a small bowl. 12. Spoon the remaining batter into the lined pan, using a spatula to spread it in an even layer. Place the pan in the freezer for 10 minutes. 13. In a large bowl using an electric mixer, beat the cream cheese, remaining 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, pinch of salt, and remaining 1½ teaspoons of vanilla at medium speed until fully incorporated and creamy, 30 seconds to 1 minute. 14. Beat in the sour cream until well combined. Add the remaining egg and mix until fully combined. 15. Carefully pour the cheesecake mixture over the cold brownie layer. Spread into a smooth layer. 16. Add the milk to the reserved 2/3 cup brownie batter, stirring until well combined. 17. Dollop the brownie mixture by the teaspoonful randomly over the top of the cheesecake batter in the pan. 18. Using a toothpick, skewer, or paring knife, swirl the brownie mixture into the cheesecake mixture, being careful not to press too deep to disturb the brownie layer. 19. Bake until a wooden pick inserted in the center comes out clean, 50 to 55 minutes. A few crumbs attached are okay. 20. Cool completely on a wire rack, about 3 hours. 21. Cut into 16 bars. Store the brownies in an airtight container, refrigerated, for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade cheesecake brownies.